Bring in the holiday season with simple snowflakes to decorate your Christmas tree, hang in the window as a gift topper, or use as part of your winter decorations. Our simple, free little pattern makes wonderful three-dimensional snowflakes. The supplies and tools needed to make the snowflake Christmas ornament are clear 7 mesh plastic canvas, 12 6mm round red beads, white yarn, plastic canvas needle, large eye chenille needle, scissors, and a ruler. The large eye chenille needle needs to fit through the hole in the bead. Take the 7 mesh plastic canvas and cut 6 plastic canvas strips that are 3 holes wide by 17 holes long. Thread the plastic canvas needle with a 20-inch length of white yarn. The overcast stitch will be used throughout this project. Pick up one of the plastic canvas strips, overcast stitch one of the long ends of the strip. How? By inserting the needle from the back to the front through the first hole at either end of the strip. Pull the yarn towards you, leaving about an inch tail. Take the yarn and wrap it around the edge, inserting the needle into the second hole and pull it through. Continue to work this way along the edge to and including the last hole. Fold the piece of plastic canvas in half so the short ends are together. We're going to overcast along the short end, and as we're doing it, we're going to secure the tail. Then continue to overcast the remaining long edge. When done, to secure the yarn, weave the needle through the stitches on the underside of the piece. Cut off and trim. And you now have your first teardrop. Repeat this process for each strip until you have a total of 6 teardrop shapes. With the needle that will go through the bead, thread a piece of yarn onto it. If you have trouble doing it, what you need is just a little piece of paper that's folded in half that will go through the eye of the needle. Insert the yarn into the piece of paper in the middle. Insert that into the eye of the needle and pull it through. Okay, now we're going to start to add the beads to the teardrop. Take the first teardrop and count down 7 holes from the joined end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the yarn into that, pull it through, but not all the way, leave some. Now, take your bead and insert it pull it through, and take a second bead, thread it onto the needle and through the yarn. Now again, count down 7 holes from the joined end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull it through, and you've made your first teardrop with the bead in it. Now do that 5 more times. After all the teardrops and beads are strung, it should look something like this in a row. Okay, we're going to now tie a knot between the first teardrop and the last teardrop. The easiest way to do that is to do a surgeon's knot. A surgeon's knot is where you take a loop and loop it in, take it and wrap it around again, and then pull it. And then tie your knot. After you've done that, then take the ends and create a loop in the remaining yarn for hanging it on the tree. The snowflake Christmas ornament is finished. Gather the kiddos and make some of these plastic canvas snowflake ornaments. Please like and share this video with friends and family. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. Help us by sharing our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other holiday and snowflake free projects and tutorial. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you don't miss new tutorials.